Ostriches are the only birds in the world with 2 toes. The largest toe carries their weight, reaching up to 150 kilograms, while the smaller toe helps keep balance. They look intimidating, but ostriches are mainly herbivorous, feeding on plants, roots, seeds, and the occasional insect. They swallow their food whole, including stones, which help grind their food in the gizzard. But that can be a painful process when your neck is 1 meter long. Their necks seem cumbersome, but it's the only way they can reach their